Hello my friends, I hope you are having a wonderful day, and today I hope you are ready for another fall decorate with me video. I am going to be decorating my front foyer as well as my living room and adding just simple touches of fall because I am so ready. I even put on a fall cardigan type of sweater thingy, whatever you want to call it, and I am ready to get right into it. Before I do, I just want to say, if you are stopping by my channel for the very first time, my name is Sonja, and I would love it if you considered subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you get notified when new videos pop up. I have several more fall content type of videos coming your way, so make sure that notification bell is on for everybody, so that way you don't miss out those videos. And if you are enjoying this video, make sure you share it with a friend as well. So let's get right into it. So I'm starting over here at the foyer, and I'm going to remove everything off of this console table. If you are curious about this console table, I did a huge makeover on it over on my DIY channel. I picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace and gave it new life. And I thought it turned out really nice. So once I remove stuff, I dust everything, and then I start with the decor. I was kind of looking for something more neutral, little less screaming bright orange colors. I do like using orange, but more of a kind of toned down orange rather than a bright orange colors. But I do like using colors in my decor.
Life is a winding road.
I did really want to incorporate this olive tree here because I just love it so much, and I think I did manage to make it look decent with the rest of the fall decor. So you just have to stay tuned till the end to see how it looks.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
I like using this basket on this table, and I just swap out the type of blankets I'm putting in there. I just think it really softens up the space, and it goes really well with my jute rug that's at the front door. And if you've been following along for a while, you know my love for these trucks with pumpkins or Christmas trees, so I always have to incorporate something with that. So as you can see, I did swap out some items because it just wasn't working well, so I went and I got this vase over from my dining room table, and I think it looks really good here. Now I am going to be adding these candles. They are LED candles. They have a timer that you can put them on, or you can just turn them on, and they are battery operated. They are from a company called Brighttown, and I will have a link for them down below. You can get them on Amazon, and they have tons of different types of lighting for your home and for your outdoor space. And I like using battery operated candles because then I don't have to worry about blowing them out, and they look quite real.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So here is what my front entryway table looks like. I just love the way everything kind of works together, and I like how neutral, organic the table looks.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Now we're gonna move into my living room, and I want to kind of carry the same theme over to here, but maybe incorporate some other colors that I'm going to then carry on for the rest of the house. So I'm going to start off with this couch, and I was planning on using this blanket because I just love it so much, but then I changed my mind because I did find that it wasn't quite working with the colors that I was going for.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
This is the one item that I had purchased for this decorate with me, and it is this pillow from HomeSense. It says Thankful, and I paid $29.99 for it. And when I was talking about the color orange, that is what the type of orange that I had in mind. And you can see I ended up swapping the blanket because I felt that the other one worked a little bit better. So I did put that one in the front basket, and then I took this one and added it here. And I think the swap worked really well. Now I'm going to move on to decorating the fireplace. Again, I'm going to take everything off, dust it off, and then start off fresh.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I'm going to add some some wheat into this vase, but it's taking me a little while because they're all cut a different size. So I'm going to stuff some paper towel to the bottom of it just to create some height, and then I'm gonna add the weight to it. Now this was very messy. I did have to end up vacuuming after it because it caused a lot of mess.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running and blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said you love for me something.
Since I moved the candle from the front, I am adding it right here, and I think it works much better on the fireplace.
Brand new. Said this is something you would never do. Here we are.
Now for this little table in a corner, I was contemplating on just leaving the greenery, but then I decided to add a pumpkin to it. And I was thinking about putting it into that basket, but it did not fit. So I'm just moving the basket out of the way and just having the pumpkin sit on its own just like that. And I think that looks really, really nice.
In your car, let me see who you are, who you really are.
Next, I'm going to be working on my coffee table, and I'm going to remove all the lemons because we are done with lemons. And as I always say, I like to put lemons, small pumpkins, pine cones, or whatever I'm putting in there inside a Ziploc bag, so that way they all stay together and it's easy to find once I am decorating for that season again. So I cleaned the table, dusted. Oh, and I forgot to mention I am using method cleaners. So this is the wood polish, and I also used the glass cleaner. And over here in this lantern, I decided to add a little bit of garland. I have this very earthy tone garland that I thought looks really pretty here, and then I decided to add some of those twinkling lights from Brighttown. Here is the pack, and I just love the way these looks. I think they add such ambiance to the room, especially in the evenings, because I tend not to have any light on in this room, so it's just nice to have this twinkling. And I do love twinkling lights, and I'm so excited to be using these at Christmas time as well, but you know, they're not limited just to one season, so this is why I'm using them now for fall.
You're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make.
Now for this truck, I'm going to add some pumpkins, and I was trying to pick colors that, like I said, were more of a neutral colors, not so bright. So I'm using some orange pumpkins, orange brownish pumpkins. There's some bronze brownish pumpkins and some white pumpkins.
Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
I think out of all the decor in this room, this side table gave me the most trouble. I like keeping these photos here. I keep them here for 3 seasons out of the 4, and so I had no intention of moving them, but I did want to add a little bit of something to this table, but at the end I decided it was probably best just to leave it with the picture frames. And I do end up adding my candle wax melt. I have this pumpkin one that I got several years ago from Yankee Candle. It's on a timer, and I just think it looks really cute, and it is the right colors as well. And I'm going to be melting my wax melt. I think it's called the pumpkin spice, I think, or harvest pumpkin or something like that. Again, I got this at Yankee Candle. I got it last year, but I'm pretty sure they have it this year as well. I haven't gone to see yet, but it is on my to-do list to go and get some new wax melts.
Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers.
So as you saw, I played around with it quite a bit until I was satisfied, and ended up just using the wax melt on there with the pictures.
Sometimes we try to be cool, not being given
So here is what the room looks like all done up, and I just love it. I definitely went with a lot less than the previous years, and I'm kind of liking that right now. I'm not ready to get rid of all my pumpkins quite yet because I have a ton, but I am enjoying just simple touches of fall here and there. I'm sure for some people it's more than they would do, but I'm sure for others it's not as much as they would do. So it's, you got to do what makes you happy, what makes your heart happy, and this right now is making my heart happy. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this decorate with me video. I have several more coming your way, so make sure that notification bell is on. And I also forgot to mention, well, actually I did videotape it, not sure what happened to the footage, but I did hang up a harvest sign right at my entryway where my home sign was. So I will show you that in a minute, but I thought I mentioned that before you see it and wonder what happened, whether I had it there all along. So like I said, make sure the notification bell is on so you don't miss out when my future uploads are uploaded. Those of you following along all from the beginning, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And if you are enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend and leave me down a comment. It helps me, my channel, a lot. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.